guys, let's show you some colors with animal names. Red!
Look, there's a tree full of birds. Can you see the red one? The parrot. This parrot is red.
Red bird. Yellow.
So many fruit. Can you find the yellow fruit? Here they are. The bananas. Bananas are yellow.
Yellow bean. Blue.
Can you find the blue fish? This one. This is the blue fish. Will you sing with us later?
Blue butterfly. Pink.
Whoa! So many animals! Can you see the pink animal? The flamingo is pink.
Pink, pink. Black.
Black. Black.
Black horse. Thank you for watching.